Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a fast one, but a real fun one for Halloween. I've got some little pieces of walnut here, I have some dark chocolate, and I also have a cute little mold. So this mold comes with a little funnel, which is kind of nice, and these are little skulls. So I'm going to show you quickly. Oh, and here on the other side, this is where you would fill them if you're filling them for ice cubes or whatever. So you've got a nice little option here with this funnel. So I'm going to make some little Halloween skulls. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our little walnuts and get those right at the top. And these are for the top of the skull. Just like that. And now we're going to fill these with chocolate. And then I'm just going to get my chocolate right in here. Just like that. That looks good. Make sure our little walnuts are right at the top, just like that. And then we'll just grab some extra little pieces here, just smaller ones. We'll just get those in. Just like that. And then we'll take the top, we'll get our top on. And make sure you get that right down on there. That's good. So we don't want the chocolate to escape and go in between the little molds. That looks good just like that. Okay. And now we're just going to leave them like that until they're fully set, which will be a couple of hours, and then we'll come back. So this is about 3 hours later, and let's see what we have. Just going to get this open. Just pull it apart. And we should have some neat little skulls. Get rid of the excess chocolate. Let's get these little guys out. Look at this. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at this. We'll get rid of that little piece right there. If you've got the little end, you just break the end off. Or you can leave it on. It doesn't really matter. Look at this. That cool? So you've got the little skull, and you've got the walnut, which makes it look like a brain. Let me get this one out. And there we go. Look at this. Isn't that cute? All with this little mold. Considering that this mold is not a chocolate mold, this is for ice cubes, so it did a pretty good job. Really, really nice. So just another little Halloween idea that if you have kids or if you're entertaining for a party, do a bunch of these, and you're going to have some guests that are pretty impressed. And I paid around $10 and I got 2 sets of these, so you can make 8 at a time. So just before I go, I just set this up like this because I really do want you to see how nice these are a little closer up. I'll just give a little spin so you can see the brain, which is the walnut right there. Isn't that cool? So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you can, and that's it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.